What's up guys, welcome to another video. On today's episode we're talking about the Bitcoin fake out back into our symmetrical triangle, the next level of support to hold, a break of structure from this level, what it will mean on the higher time frame, and how we can take advantage of the opportunity the market presents. Without much ado, sit back and relax as we delve into the chart. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Williams. I make technical analysis on the Bitcoin chart. So if that's what you're here for, subscribe to the channel, turn on push notifications so you don't miss out on real-time updates on the Bitcoin chart. Looking at the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hourly time frame, we have outlined our symmetrical triangle, which was the chart pattern we outlined yesterday in our previous video. We also outlined the level of 27,479 as our next level of resistance that we need to break with high volatility candlestick for us to claim bullish on the Bitcoin chart. Remember, we were saying we're expecting a couple of $100 above this level for us to claim bullish from this level. Not some choppy actions around this level, plus or minus $50 around this level. No, that's not what we're expecting. We're expecting a clear break of structure above this level, let's say to the level of $27,726. Then any form of retracement, then we can entertain a long position to continue the move to the upside. Remember from the video, we outlined the level of $28,900 as the target. The level of $28,900 was the target of this symmetrical triangle move. But we also note that we need to be very careful of fake outs, and that was what actually happened. In these early hours of this morning, we can see we had a fake out back into our symmetrical triangle. So for those who waited for a confirmation on this trade, then you're not in any loss. And when you're not in any loss, in ideality, you're actually in profit. The Bitcoin chart is right now trading at the level of 26,682. Remember in our previous video yesterday, we outlined that anything that is going on between the level of 27,479 and the level of 26,371 is just noise, as we've just been having choppy actions, consolidation without price direction. So entertaining a trade in between, say you want to trade the bounce between the level of 26,570 down to the resistance level of level 27,179 will only result in a loss. As traders, we wait for the market to come to us. We outline the level of 26,371 as a level of which, if we are seeing a break below any form of retracement, then we can entertain a sell position to the downside. So the level in which we are expecting the Bitcoin chart to come and test is the level of 26,371. This level in which we outline with a red trend line. So we want to see how the market reacts at this level. If we're having a break below this structure, we let the market, just as we're expecting of the bullish case scenario, want to see an impulsive candlestick to the downside with high volatility, high volume spikes on the volume indicator. Want to see high volume spikes, volume candlestick, something like this, something like what we are also seeing here, high volume spikes. So when we are seeing a break of structure like that, we don't see an impulsive candlestick to the downside with high volume stick. Let me take my drawing tool. So this is what we're expecting. We're expecting an impulsive candlestick to the downside, hitting the level of, let's say, 26,006 or lower, and having high volume spike on the volume indicator. Then any form of retracement to come and test this level as resistance, then we can sell the market for the continued move to the downside. So this is the bearish case scenario we just outlined on the symmetrical triangle chart pattern. This is what we're expecting, that if we are seeing a break of structure below the level of 26,371, this is a trade we can actually take. But the market could actually give us a bounce from this level and then come back to the level of 27,471 to give us the break we have been looking for. Whatever the market does, as traders, we want to be patient and wait for confirmation. Remember, as we waited for a confirmation here, we're actually in no loss. But if we actually just were impulsive traders, we saw the market coming to test the level of 27,471 and we just took a buy trade, then obviously we would have been in some loss. As traders, we want to wait for the market to come to us. As they say, the next boss is 10 minutes away. Right now, if we are seeing a break of structure below the level of 26,371, it has a bearing on the overall Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame. Let's move to the daily time frame. On the Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame, the head and shoulder chart pattern is still in play. The head and shoulder chart pattern is still in play. This being one shoulder, this being a head, this being another shoulder, and we are broken below the neckline. We're actually consolidating between around the neckline. which is around the level of $27,200 down to the level of $27,479. We've seen we've had rejections from this level many times. It's possible that, as they say, the more times you test the resistance level, the more likely you are to break it. So if we are seeing an impulsive move above the level of 27,479, then this head and shoulder chart pattern has been negated, as the chart pattern we're playing is a symmetrical triangle chart pattern that could take us as high as the level of $28,900. Well, if the Bitcoin chart is giving us a break below the level of 26,371, then this is the target, the neckline of the head and shoulder chart pattern. The target is a level of $24,700. But as traders, because of our knowledge of support and resistance level, after having traded it many times, we know that the level of $25,200 is a very important support level. The level of $25,200 is a very important support level. So if we see the market coming down to this level and we are seeing some level of consolidation, then we can then close our short position. Speaking of short position, you know you can actually claim it up to $30,000 on your first deposit and trade when you use the link in the description. BYBIT offers amazing discounts on your trade, so you can hold swing positions on BYBIT for a long period of time and spend minimal fees as trading fees. BYBIT is my #1 swing trading platform, and it can also be yours too. It's also one way you support the channel, as you get kickback as commissions from your trading fee. So if you enjoyed the content thus far, smash the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. That way this video gets more viewers like you. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, turn on push notifications so you don't miss out on real-time updates on the Bitcoin charts. I'm waiting for you at the comment section. Thank you very much for sticking with me through this video. This is what I see on the Bitcoin chart. See you in the next one. Bye.